Hello, this is Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun birthday card with the This Birthday Piggy bundle. Here is my fun fold out gift card holder card. Super cute. You could write a message down here on the bottom. It's quite easy to make. You start off with the card base of 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so it's basically half of a card. And then you're gonna have 2 white pieces. You're gonna have one that's 11 by 4 1/4, and you're gonna score it at 4 and 10 1/2. And it's going to be placed on the card like this. And then this piece right here, you will attach a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of white cardstock. And then you will add your designer series paper, whatever paper you choose, onto that to give it a little bit of thickness so it's not so thin. If you don't care, you can just add this to the top, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and adhere these all together. Okay, so that is the basics of the card. Now we have all the fun things. So this is the largest circle in the stylish shapes. And then this is the wagon from the dies. This Birthday Piggy bundle. And these are the dies that cut out the pigs. And then you've got a banner for the sentiments. You've got grass, which I'm gonna use at the bottom part of this card right here. Super cute. And then you've got the wagon with wheels and handles, so you can change out the colors. And then all these fun other items: flowers, ribbons, presents, confetti, banner, bird, leaves, party hat, and this cuts out the little butterfly. That's only available during September as a bundle, so the dies will only be available in September, so make sure you get it before it's gone, because I predict that it could sell out. So I'll just add this to the bottom. There's our grass. And then for our wagon, I have the wheels and handle here. I've done them in black. So I'll just go ahead and add a tiny bit of glue. Okay, so now our wagon is ready. So we're gonna put some dimensionals on both of these. We'll do mini dimensionals on the wagon wheels and on the outer edges of the wagon so that we don't impede the little piggy from sitting down into the wagon. So I'm just gonna do one at the corner here, and then I'll do one over here. And then we will attach this to the circle. And then we will do regular dimensionals for the circle. And then I have all the fun little elements. So I've got presents and banner, and I've got some extra balloons. So I just stamped part of the piggy, and then I just cut around the ear a little bit and cut the balloon off so we could have some extra balloons. And then I'm going to use the mini dimensionals to put on the banner. So I'll do mini dimensionals on the presents, and then I'll just add a tap of glue to the ribbons. I'm going to add one little present over here. And I'll add another present down here. And now we can stamp the little piggy. We're gonna stamp him in Memento Black. Oh my gosh, I moved. Now I'm gonna cut out the piggy using my mini cutting machine. Okay, so now we have our cute little birthday piggy, and I'm gonna use these colors to color in the piggy. Blackberry Bliss, Pool Party, and Petal Pink. So I'm gonna use the Pool Party for one of the balloons and then for the candle here. Okay, our little piggy is done. So we can add the little birthday balloons and the piggy. So I'm just gonna add some dimensionals to the birthday balloons. And add some to the piggy. Okay, and then we're just going to place the piggy down into the wagon here. A little bit more. I think I trimmed it off. So I'm gonna trim it off. And I'm gonna put this balloon behind like that. And put this balloon over here. All right, so now we just need to stamp our sentiment. So I will just put a little dimensional, let's see. I'll go ahead and do 2 over here because it's got to do double height, and then 1 right there. And I'm just gonna try to stick this in over here and a little bit more. There we go. And last step is to add the gift card holder. I'm just gonna trim the grass here while I can see the grass. So for the gift card holder, I used the mini treat dies. So I used this die right here. And then it's got a bow and labels and tags. So lots of fun things. But I'm just gonna modify it a little bit. So you have this place where you can fold this over. And then I'm gonna create a score line right here so that I can fold this over on the other side. So I'm just gonna use my snip and trimmer. And I'm gonna put it in right about there. Create a little light score line because otherwise it likes to tear the paper. And then I can just fold this over. Hopefully no big tears. So I can put some adhesive here. And for the other one, I'm just gonna put some liquid adhesive because it's a lot thinner. Okay, so now we can just add this to the card. And that's our little gift card holder. And then just to finish it off, I'm gonna just gonna stamp, hope it's the best. And so that is my little piggy wagon card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle. It'll have these 3 designs, 6 cards. So order using my current host code, email me and let me know, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial with cards from the This Birthday Piggy bundle, only available during September for 10% off. So make sure you order it before it's gone, because I predict it will sell out because it's so cute. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.